Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got a stick vac to test in my home and share with you. I purchased this because who doesn't need an extra stick vac? This thing is so awesome. First off, it's purple, which I love. So easy to control. You can have different speeds and all the way up to max suction. We are cleaning up after a Christmas tree and this did such a great job. I love the LED light to make it really easy to see all in those corners and all the things. The telescoping wand is very adjustable so you can get it to the right height for you. And it goes over lots of different surfaces as well. Carpets, area rugs, tile, wood flooring, regular carpets. This did so good on everything. It was so comfortable to hold. Nice, powerful suction. When I was testing on this rug, it actually was this, when I tried it on max suction, it actually was pulling up this rug. It did such a good job getting up all of the pet fur and things like that. And it even stands up by itself. So it's easy to empty. It's got lots of attachments. Just a great, great vacuum. Hope you enjoy this as much as I do.